Hi friends, Sarvo Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. This is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pullepu. See, today in this video we are going to discuss zeros and singularities. In singularities, three models are there: isolated singularity, removable singularity, essential singularity. In between I will discuss poles also. See, what is the meaning of zeros means what is nothing but roots. Already you are done in lower standard actually. First fundamental theorem of algebra. Suppose z is equal to a is a zero of order n of f of z, then I can write f of z is equal to z minus a whole power n phi of z. Here phi of a not equal to 0. So in this case, how can I write z is equal to a is order of n of 0. This is actually nothing but a first fundamental theorem of the algebra. So basic theorem of the algebra. So but phi of a is equal to not equal to 0. N is equal to 1 means what you can say simple 0. This is the case of the zeros. Suppose in complex algebra, if you want to study analytic function, if you deal with what is a singular point? Function where it's not analytic, that function, that point is called singular point. Suppose f of z is equal to z minus 1. 1 is a singular point. This function is not defined at z is equal to 1. This is called singular point. In that we have a isolated singulated. What is the meaning of isolated singulated? Suppose z is equal to a is a singular point. Neighborhood does not exist another singularities. Suppose if you take a f of z is equal to z square by z minus 1. Here z is equal to 1 is a isolated singular. In neighborhood of this point, it does not exist any other singular points. What is the meaning of neighborhood? Actually means for suppose there exists, suppose a is a singular point. There exists delta greater than is equal to 0. Modulus z minus a is equal to delta will exist. This is the neighborhood point. They actually what we have only juice only. Lot of things the research they have done lot of things with them. Basically this we can have actually while doing the problem differently we do. Isolated singularity means what? Z is equal a is a singular point and neighborhood of a doesn't exist any other singular point. That is called isolated singularity. Suppose if you see f of z is equal to z by z square plus 1. Z square plus 2 by z square plus 1. Now here singular points is what? Z is equal to 0, Z is equal to plus I, Z is equal to minus I. These are the isolated singularity. Neighborhood of these points, it doesn't exist any other singular points. It's called isolated. Then removable singularity. What is the meaning of the removable singularity? It is a singular point, no doubt. Suppose if you are able to write f of z have a singular point at z is equal to a. If I able to write limit z tends to a, f of z exists, then this is called removable singularity. Getting or not? Suppose this for this example, how can you see? F of z is equal to sin z by z. This I can write z minus 0. 0 is a singular point. So we know limit z tends to 0, sin z by z is equal to 1. Similarly, f of z is equal to, these all are example, tan z by z. This story also I know, limit z tends to 0, tan z by z is equal to 1. This is also removable singularity. Then suppose f of z is equal to z square minus a by z minus a. Z square minus a square. So this is what limit z is equal to a is the singular point. So this how can write z plus a, z minus a cancel, limit z minus a will exist actually. So this is the way of, now isolated singularity okay, removable singularity okay, then essential singularity. Essential singularity is a what? Oh sorry, before going essential singularity I want to tell the poles. Suppose if you file means what? F of z is equal to z, z minus 1, z minus 2, z minus 3. Z is equal to 1, 2, 3 all the simple pole of order 1 means I will write. What is the meaning of the pole means what? Suppose if I write z is equal to a, if I tell the pole limit z tends to a, z minus a f of z will exist. See, can I write or not? Limit z minus 1 into this whole fellow means what? Z minus 1, z minus will cancel, z tends to 1 will exist. Limit z tends to 2 into z minus 2 into this whole fellow means what? This will cancel, this will exist. So these are the simple pole. Pole of order 1 means they will call simple poles. Suppose z by z minus 2 whole square, z square plus 1. Now z is equal to 2 is a pole of order 2. Z is equal to plus I and minus I are simple poles. Getting or not? This is the way I have done. Now essential singularity means what? Z is equal to singular point and it's not a removable singularity, and Z is not a pole means is called essential singularity. Suppose e power 1 by z minus 2. See, z is equal to 2 is what? Function is not defined. It's a singular point. But is what? It's not a removable singularity, it's not a pole. This is called essential singularity. So then while doing the residue problem we do it differently, we attack. Timing for this, remember the basic definitions. This is not that much of important, but you can have a, while studying something means what? Anyone suddenly ask what is the singularity means what, you have to tell. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly share, subscribe and be part of our service. Bye.